Anti-lock braking system (ABS). Advantages and disadvantages. Of all the technical safety advancements in the automotive world, anti-lock braking system (ABS) has come a long way from being an option to a near necessity. Anti-lock brakes assist drivers to have better control and shorter stopping distances on slippery surfaces or through panic braking. The system monitors each wheel's activity individually with the help of sensors. The brake pressure is then regulated to stop the wheels locking up and avoid slippage. Advantages of ABS. With the use of ABS stops the car at a shorter distance than the conventional brakes. Prevents the wheels from locking up, hence avoids uneven tire wear. Increases control. Enables the possibility of a traction control system. Better braking performance under most conditions. ABS offers more safety. Significantly reduced risk of skidding while braking. Makes better use of the brake pads and brake disc. ABS allows you to steer your car around objects if any, as you still have grip on the wheels under intense braking. Disadvantages of ABS. Inconsistent stopping distances on various surfaces under variable conditions. Under generally poor road conditions, ABS braking increases stopping distance. Experienced drivers can often brake better manually than with ABS brakes. More expensive to repair and maintain. Increases the cost of the vehicle. Involves the use of an extra sensor and a controller, which increases the complexity. On concrete roads, the ABS vehicle stopping distance might be needed more.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.